Another local's favorite is the Boardwalk Coffee House, located right here in Myrtle Beach on 9th Avenue. Let's go take a look.
What's happening, everybody? We're here in beautiful Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, between the Boardwalk and Ocean Boulevard to check out the Boardwalk Coffee House. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I encourage you to do so now, so you can keep up with weekly videos on places and events around the Myrtle Beach area.
Welcome to Coffee House.
The Boardwalk Coffee House is a family-owned and run business. They've been here for over 10 years now and previously owned 5 coffee houses before. So they know a thing or two about great coffee. But this particular one, the Boardwalk Coffee House, opened its doors in May of 2010 and has quickly become one of the favorite places of tourists and locals to visit on the Myrtle Beach Boardwalk. Their specific boardwalk location is across from Ripley's Believe It or Not, sandwiched between the Bowery and the Oceanfront Bar and Grill. So if you walk on the boulevard anywhere around 9th Avenue or stroll on the boardwalk, this place isn't hard to miss. And just because it has coffee in the name doesn't stop them from serving up some delicious food. They serve breakfast daily from 8 a.m. to 11:30 a.m., specializing in things from sandwiches to platters. We had already eaten, but we had to try a couple of their KETO gluten-free biscuits with only 8 carbs, and I must say, it was delicious. They also have daily lunch specials every day from 12 noon until they close, and they serve some of the best real fruit smoothies in town. They have upstairs seating with ocean views. Let's check it out. Or you can sit outside under the umbrellas and view the ocean, volleyball courts, boardwalk, or the boulevard. And not only does the Boardwalk Coffee House serve fresh roasted coffee, but they also specialize in lattes, frappes, espressos, smoothies, and chai tea. But on those hot days when you're walking on the boardwalk, you can stop in and get some of the best tasting ice cream and milkshakes, and an array of chocolate dipped items. They also have outstanding fresh cakes and pastries that will nicely complement any type of coffee you order. Yum! They offer free Wi-Fi and a slew of merchandise, like shirts, mugs, and more. Or you can purchase items online at their web store. So this year, if you're anywhere around the Myrtle Beach Boardwalk or Ocean Boulevard, stop by the Boardwalk Coffee House and get heated up or cool down. so you can keep beaching.